So hello friends, welcome to Bengology, and today we're going to learn about numbers from 61 to 70. So let's start. Our first number is 61. So how can we say 61? 61 means ekষট্টি. So 61 means ekষট্টি. Ek, and then মূর্ধন্যস্য and then toy হস্যি. Okay, so why it is toy? We have discussed it about the double consonant part, that this is toy to, and then this is toy. Okay, so double to. So this is ekষট্টি, or you can say double to first to and then the second to. But this is the right one, to, and then this is second to. So ekষট্টি means 61. So how can we write 61? First 6 in Bengali and then 1. Okay. So this is ekষট্টি. After 61 we have 62. 62 means bâṣôṭṭি. 62 means bâṣôṭ্টি. So this is 6 and this is 2 means bâṣôṭ্টি. Bâṣôṭ্টি means 62 and 63 means têṣôṭṭি. Têṣôṭ্টি. So têṣôṭ্টি means 63. একষট্টি means 61, bâṣôṭ্টি means 62 and têṣôṭ্টি means 63. So 6 and then 3. After that we have 64. 64 means chhôuṣôṭṭি. Chhôuṣôṭ্টি. So this is cho and o vowel sign, cho, and then shotti. So 6 and then 4. This is chhôuṣôṭ্টি means 64. After that we have 65. 65 means পঁয়ষট্টি. So 65 means পঁয়ষট্টি. After 65 means পঁয়ষট্টি. 61 means একষট্টি. 62 means bâṣôṭ্টি. 63 means têṣôṭ্টি. 64 means chhôuṣôṭ্টি. 65 means পঁয়ষট্টি. And then 66. 66 means chhêṣôṭ্টি. So chhêṣôṭ্টি means 66. After that we have 67. 67, 66. So 6 and then 6. This is chhêṣôṭ্টি. After 66 we have 67. 67 means sâtôṣôṭ্টি. Sâtôṣôṭ্টি. So this is 6 and this is 7. Hope you understand, because we have discussed it in the previous video where we have done from 0 to 9 numbers and we are arranging these numbers to create this. Okay. So sâtôṣôট্টি means 67. After that we have 68. 68 means আটষট্টি. আটষট্টি. 8 means 8 and 60 ষাট. So আটষট্টি. And then 8. This is âṭষট্টি. After that we have 69. 69 means here it will be uno something, because we have learned previously that this, if this is something and this will be uno and then something here in the 70. So 70 means sôttôr. So you know that this sign means double to. This sign means double to. So if you don't understand, you can check out my double consonant video, which I will provide my link. So 70 means sôttôr. Okay, so and then this sign is double to, to. So sôt and then to. If you don't understand this, I am writing this. If this is double to and ro, first we have to pronounce sha and to. Shot, shot. Okay. So after shot and then to, shot, shot, to, ro, sôttôr, sôttôr. So this double to is here written as this. Okay. So this is sôttôr, and this is unosôttôr. Unosôttôr. So this is 6 and this is 9 and this is 7 and this is 0. So I am recapping all of these. I know that this video was very quick because we have discussed from 51 to 60 numbers, and this was in very depth. So after this you have to just remember. Okay, these numbers you have to just remember. That's why I am doing it very quickly, because we have done the basics from 0 to 10, 10 to 12, 10 to 20. So this was the main thing which you have to learn, but now you have to just memorize it, these numbers. Okay, so I am repeating all of these. First is 61 means ekষট্টি, 61 means ekষট্টি, 62 means bâṣôṭṭi, 62 means bâṣôṭṭi, 63 means têṣôṭṭi, 63 means têṣôṭṭi, 64 means chhôuṣôṭṭi, 64 means chhôuṣôṭṭi, 65 means পঁয়ষট্টি, 65 means পঁয়ষট্টি, 66 means chhêṣôṭṭi, 66 means chhêṣôṭṭi, 67 means sâtôṣôṭṭi, 67 means sâtôṣôṭ্টি, 68 means আটষট্টি, and 69 means 69. After 69 we have 70 means sôttôর, and 69 means unosôttôর. Okay.